Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Some algebra. I've got an algebraic fraction here, 2a cubed divided by 10a to the 7c squared. I always write these down because it gives me a chance to think about it as I write it down. And as I wrote that one down, I realised that both top and bottom had this common factor here, or a common factor. So I'm going to divide top and bottom first of all by a cubed. Now a cubed goes into the top twice, and the bottom divided by a cubed, remember you're going to subtract the powers, is 10a to the 4c squared. So far, I've simplified my fraction down to that. Now, it's to a negative power, so I'm going to flip the fraction. I'm interested in the reciprocal of the fraction. So I'll flip the fraction, and now I've dealt with that negative, so it is simply equal to that. And now I do that, I see there's another obvious common factor, isn't there? I can divide top and bottom by 2. So what this boils down to is this, something cubed. Well, something cubed is something times something times something. And now you can see what the answer is. 5 times 5 times 5, 125, a to the 4 times a to the 4 times a to the 4, add those powers, a to the 12, c squared times c squared times c squared, c to the 6. Now the other way to think about this, which I like, is this. Let me show you. I would say that that is 5 a to the 4 c squared cubed, so you can treat that as 5 cubed, a to the 4 cubed, c squared cubed. 5 cubed is 125. Now just use the rules of indices. A to the 4 raised to the power 3, you multiply those indices. And c squared raised to the power 3, you multiply those indices, c to the 6. But either way, you should have the answer 125 a to the power of 12, c to the power of 6. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching, see you in the next film.